Hello, and welcome to the 7 o'clock Johnson Show on NBC. As always, I am your host, Johnson Johnson. Tonight, we will be talking about the Apollo 15 space mission and the challenges of what the crew and engineers had to overcome. After that, we have Tommy to talk about the economy, and Vinny to talk about sports. All that coming only on The Johnson Show. We'll be right back after these messages.
McDonald's Big Mac. It's more than just another hamburger. There are 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions on a sesame seed bun. 7 great ingredients working together to make one great taste. 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, cheese, lettuce, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. Get the idea?
2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, and a sesame seed bun.
It's your McDonald's Big Mac. You've got to taste it to believe it, you know what I mean?
And welcome back. Let's talk about the Apollo 15 mission, shall we? The Apollo 15 mission is the first of NASA's brand new J missions. The goal of these missions is to focus on scientific research, specifically explore the Hadley-Apennine region, set up lunar surface scientific experiments, and make engineering evaluations of the new Apollo equipment, perform lunar orbital experiments, and take photographs. Apollo 15 launched from Cape Canaveral Launch Complex 39 at 9:34 a.m. on July 26, 1971, completely successfully. The rocket on the mission was a giant Saturn V equipped with a 3-stage rocket. I believe we have a picture. Wow, and when you look at that, that is truly a marvel of engineering. The first stage only took 2 minutes and 41 seconds to complete. The second stage was done by 9 minutes and 9 seconds, almost getting to orbit. The last 2.5 minutes were done by the final stage, getting the spacecraft to weightlessness. Watch liftoff here.
15 seconds, guidance internal, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, ignition sequence start, engines armed, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all engines running, launch commit, liftoff, we have liftoff at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tower is clear.
And we have a roll program. Roger. You have good thrust on all 5 engines. Thanks, Gordo. Roll complete.
I have to tell you, it sure takes some guts going on a trip like that. Those brave men on the spacecraft were David R. Scott, the commander. He was born on June 6, 1932, in San Antonio, Texas. Graduated from West Point and joined the Air Force as a fighter pilot and retired from it in 1975 as a colonel. He made 3 trips to space in his career as an astronaut, aboard Gemini 8, spending 11 hours in low Earth orbit with Neil Armstrong. He was a command pilot of Apollo 9, a mission with the goal of testing the Apollo spacecraft. Most notably, he was a commander of Apollo 15. The lunar module pilot, James B. Irwin, was born on March 17th in 1930 in Pittsburgh. He got a bachelor's degree in naval science from the U.S. Academy in 1951, as well as a master's degree in the aerospace engineering, as well as an instrumentation engineering from the University of Michigan in 1957. He was selected by NASA in 1966 as a commander and backed up Apollo 12 and now serves on Apollo 15. And Alfred M. Worden was the command module pilot on Apollo 15. Born on February 7th in 1932 out of Jackson, Michigan, he graduated from West Point in 1955, became a test pilot as a Group 5 astronaut in 1966. He served on the support crew of Apollo 9, the backup crew of Apollo 12, and finally he served on the main crew of Apollo 15.
Listen while I tell you a story, the tale of the Marlboro brand. It came out of Richmond, Virginia one day and spread clear across the land. From Manhattan towers to towering pines, the lakes to the Rio Grande. When folks smoke for flavor, the one that they favor is the one with the Marlboro brand. The one with the Marlboro brand.
Come to where the flavor is. Come to Marlboro country.
And welcome back. Now, we will cut to four angry guys arguing about the economy.
Well, you couldn't even say that.
But
what about the economy?
All very interesting points. Finally, we have Tommy to discuss sports. Okay, so all you gotta know about this summer in baseball is you got the Orioles up in top in the American East, and then the Oakland Athletics up in the West over there, and then the Pittsburgh Pirates, of course, are leading the way in the NL East, and then in the NL West, you got the San Francisco Giants. Overall, shaping up to be a great season. Maybe the Detroit Tigers can make a run. Other interesting teams to watch out for. Los Angeles Dodgers are right on the tail of San Francisco Giants. I'm being informed this is all the time we have. Thank you for tuning in to the Johnson Johnson Show.